Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghu here. In this class, we will discuss about different ways to show relations. We can use table method or graph method. This is very simple class to understand. In our previous classes, we have discussed what relation means and properties of relations. Please watch those classes and come back here. The link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Coming to today's class. So with examples directly we can understand this. It's very simple. Relation matrix means the first way you can show relations using matrix form. What's the example? Let's take two sets. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. B is equal to B1, B2, B3. So on these two sets, if you are having a relation R is equal to 1, B2, 1, B3, 3, B2, 4, B3. This is the ordered pairs that present in the relation R. So using matrix form, how we are going to show that? On the line side we are going to write 1, 2, 3, 4. On the column side we are going to write B1, B2, B3. 1, B2 we are having a relation. Wherever there is a relation we will place 1. If there is a no relation we will place 0. That is the logic we are going to follow in matrix form. So 1, B3 we are having a relation, 3, B2 we are having a relation, 4, B3 we are having a relation, remaining all zeros. Similarly, we take one more example for understanding for single set. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Relation R contains 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 4, 4. So how we are going to write this? On the left side, on the line side we are going to write 1, 2, 3, 4. On the column side we are going to write 1, 2, 3, 4. Wherever there is a relation we are going to place 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. So we are going to place 1, 3, 1, 1, 4, 4, 1. On the remaining places we have to place 0. So this is the way we represent using matrix form. And the second form we are going to use is use graph of a relation. We can use a graph model also. So let's take an example. Suppose if you are having a relation A relates B, means element A relation with B. This can be written as an ordered pair A, B in our relation. If you are having an ordered pair A, B, this is how we are going to show A, B. So our arrow mark should be shown towards from A relates to B. So arrow mark should point towards B. A is related to B. This is how we show. One more example. Suppose if you are having A relates A, means A is having a relationship with A itself. How we are going to show? A, make a circle, arrow mark showing to the same name. A, ordered pair. Similarly, if you are having A relates B and B relates A, how we are going to show that? A, B are 2 points. A is in relation with B, B is in relation with A. Similarly, next example, A relates B and B is in relation with C and C relates A. How we are going to show that? A, B, C. A is relation with B, B relation with C, C relation with A. This is how we show that. We take one complete example. We are going to understand the graph, how we are going to define A is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8, the set. On this set we are having a relation R is equal to 8, 5, 8, 6, 8, 7, 7, 5, 7, 6, 6, 5. These are the ordered pairs we are having in the relation. So how we are going to show that? 5, 6, 7, 8. Whatever the values we have, we are taking 4 points, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8, 5. From 8 we are having relation with 5. From 8 we are having relation with 6. 8 to 7. Similarly 7 to 5. Similarly 7 to 6. Similarly 6 to 5. So this is how we show the relationship, the ordered pair relationship using a graph model. Hope you understand these examples. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.